Hello, party people! Hello! It's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant, and today I've got a little something different. Today we're going to look at, do a little unboxing here of Beebeecraft. So, Beebeecraft, has reached out and they wanted me to do a couple of videos, and so they allowed me to go on their website, pick out a few items. And so I have 3 items to show you today, starting with these guys. So the total on this order, oh, it doesn't say on here. There are 5 strands of these. I will have to look up prices and put them in the description box, because when I ordered, it may have changed by now, because I think they might have been on sale. But let's get into this and take a little look-see at these. So right here we have 5 strands, and I really liked these. I really liked these because they have like a Z-bead type finish on them. And I really liked that you got one of all the colors. I really like these. And these. Oh, yeah, I like those. Alright, so here's our 5 strands. Now these ones, I have had these ones in a different type of bead, like almost like a rice or barrel type of bead. So those are really cool. I'm surprised that they have sent, these look like 15-inch strands. They are stone, and they do have the Z-bead process done to them. So I'm guessing that these are jade. These are carnelian. These are probably carnelian as well. These are probably, they are stone. I wouldn't guess to say what those are. I'm assuming they're like an onyx or something. And these are probably a jade as well. So very nice. So let me tell you my little goings-ons that I was thinking of doing when I picked these off the website. I was thinking stretch bracelets. Okay, so these are going to be perfect for those, and in a 15-inch strand you're going to probably get 2, right? 2 out of each one of these, so almost 2. So that's pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. Okay, moving on to the next item. Let me zoom you out a little bit. I chose these. Now these came off the Beebeecraft website. They are from Panda Hall Elite. They have quite a few items on there if you haven't shopped Beebeecraft before. I do have an affiliate link with them, and I will leave it down below. But you guys, oh, there's plastic. I will say this about Beebeecraft. They always wrap their stuff up really good because they don't want you to break in shipping. So I gotta bust into this plastic. Give me 1 second. Oh, here's a little scissor. So now I saw these and I thought they were really cool. And they have all the different colors, but check this out. Are those not cool? Oh, they're stone. I thought they were wood. Like when I first looked at them, I thought they were wood. I didn't read it, of course, because, you know, who has time for that? But those are cool. These are 6mm. And I thought it was cool because, like I said, I had those for the bracelets. And I thought, oh, these will be nice to make something with. They're kind of cool looking. Got all the different colors. Blue, red. You guys don't mind my fingernails. I just came off vacation and I was at the farm. I'm sorry, apologize. But anyway, these beads are beautiful. Love those. And they look like they're given a pretty decent amount in each one of these little places in the container. So I will say this, I really like that they send these little containers with and stuff, you know, for organizing. And I don't always keep my stuff in there, but a lot of times I do keep my stuff in there. And I just have these, you'll see these floating around on my desk sometimes. Most of them have come from Beebeecraft. So the next piece that I have is actually from Nice Beads. It's called Nice Beads, N Beads. And these are just a few little teeny tiny little eyes, but they're double-sided. I don't remember how much these were. I don't think that they were very much, but I thought they were super cute because they're double-sided and they're little eyes. It's all the different colors. And there you go. They feel nice. They feel pretty heavy actually. So, super excited about that. So I am going to do some projects with these. I'll probably do maybe two projects or so. So if you keep in touch with me or you subscribe to my channel, you can be looking to see these in action. So here they all are again. I think of all the items that I ordered or that they sent to me, I think that these are my favorite, and I'm really going to have a good time with those. So we'll see what I can come up with. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please leave me a like. Make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite is, or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding any of these items that we've talked about. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll be back with making videos over the next 2 weeks or so, and we'll go from there. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.